Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Vishnu, long time to see you. After so long time,
Thank you, sir.
I came here to visit the biogas plant and what is the condition and process to see and meet you as well. So I have some questions. Prior to having the biogas plant, what challenges did you face?
Okay, so far the biogas is running very well. Since the starting date, everything is good. But it's been long time. That's why there are some small issues are coming, which is somewhere leakage. Some pipes are leakage. So sometime we are calling the maintenance people. We do solve the problem. Currently, it's running very well, sir.
Okay. How has it improved your standard of living
Yeah.
from the biogas?
Yeah, so far, since the farming company, gave us this biogas, so far our house there are very good living standard because we don't need to buy, the gas from the outside. Okay, so house environment also very good. Okay. So it is very safe for us to cooking. Okay, it's good, very good, very good.
Is it healthier for you and your family, indoor air quality and warmth?
Yeah, it is very because the gas dome, have been fixed outside. So this is better than other, gas. So it is very safe for us.
How much time does it save you from the biogas if you are cooking from other sources and is it a time saving?
Yeah, monthly, we used to spend about firewood and such a gas nearly 1,000 rupees
Per month?
per month.
Okay.
So that 1,000 rupees we are saving that money
Every month.
every month,
So it is now almost 9 years.
almost 9 years. Yeah,
So almost you are saving per month. So around 100,000 you already saved.
yes sir.
Is there any maintenance required now?
Yes sir. We need maintenance because we don't have that knowledge. We can't fix ourselves, but we need the maintenance because some pipes are leakage, which is come from the dome. From room to outside, going through to the inside the kitchen. So we need to repair that pipes, such as other other things, sir.
So does it keep your immediate environment clean and tidy, no wastage? Because the wastage are using in the biogas.
Yeah, sir. The wastage we are using in our farm, our land. Okay, you can see backside there. Recently, we are planting the,
Yeah.
what we call this
Corn plant there.
So every 6 in a month we are removing those fertilizer
Okay.
from that place and we use it for the agriculture.
So you are using yourself. It is not selling outside.
No. We don't sell that one. This is very good for us.
So has it made you and your community more aware of the benefit of clean energy? It's like a green energy. Biogas is a green energy we are getting from the wastage. So if there is any other people also, they are getting the biogas.
No, sir. Because biogas, which biogas farming company provide for us. So many our neighbors, they require, they want also.
So they are not getting from other sources.
They are not getting from others. You can visit also. You can see, only this our house have that biogas.
Okay.
So they are very exciting. Oh, where you get this biogas from? Where you get this biogas? This is very good. Okay. very good for cooking also, and after wasted all the fertilizer we can use in for the farm. This is very good. They give us very good feedback.
So neighbors are coming here to see
Yes,
how gas
yeah.
is coming.
Yeah. They normally people are coming and see. Gas also very good, huh? And everybody say this is very useful.
So when you are cooking there inside, no smoke, nothing. So
No, we don't.
families
smoke.
are happy.
Yeah, we don't smoke, and there is no smoke also, and my entire family also very happy
Mhm.
from this biogas.
Okay, thank you, Vishnu.
Welcome,
Quick
sir.
interview.
Thanks for coming, sir. We are very happy. I'm very honored to be here. So thank you very much, and thank you for Farnic management also.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Bobby.
Yes, good morning, sir.
After a long time, we see you again,
Yes,
and just I came to visit.
yeah.
How is going? The main focus is the biogas plant. So I have some questions.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Just I am Bobby Odigari. Before I work in the Farnec. Thank you for your opportunity for me. Provide me in biogas. Yes, sir. Before just we have so many health challenges because of we are living in the very village area. There have no any gas available that time. Now that time we going to the jungle, take the wooden piece, then carrying by myself, then bring to house and cooking the rice. That time very just challenges. After when I make the biogas, that time now are very easily for my cooking the food, rice, everything. Thank you for your opportunity that time.
Okay, another question. How was it improved your standard of living from the biogas?
Of course, sir. Before you were doing very hard work, going jungle, everything. That's of course now is very easily for the cooking. My father, my mother, very age for also going for the 75 cross. He doing cooking rice, food, everything very easily. That's why a little bit improved the time and improved our standard also, sir.
Is it healthier for you and your family, indoor air quality and other things from the
Yes, sir. Of course, because of before when I'm using the wooden piece, that time so many is coming smoke. The time also so long. Everything have the difficult. Now when I'm going for the using the biogas easily for the cooking the food, tea, rice, everything, then save the time also. Before when you want make cooking the food, that time we need the half an hour. When I fix the biogas within the 10-15 minutes, finish the cooks. That's why we save the time and health also.
How much time does it save you from the biogas?
Yes, normally, sir, just before and after normally the cooking the food, half an hour, the 25 minutes we save the time.
And from the collecting the woods, that also
Yeah.
save the time.
Yeah.
Is there any maintenance required now?
Of course, sir. We may make the biogas, I think, around 2014. Now going 2025, around 10 years. Before 4-5 months, this is not working for the properly. That's why we need the maintenance.
Does it keep your immediate environment clean and tidy, no wastage?
Yes, no wastage, but we need the clean everything. The tank, that's pipeline, then sir, that everything need to the clean.
These fertilizers you are selling or you are using for your farm?
This one is just our farm, sir.
Has it made you and your community more aware of the benefit of clean energy as biogas?
Yes, sir. Our community also sometimes coming and see this one, but this one only for the other place only for the visit, but still now they cannot make the another place.
Have you invited neighbors around for a cup of tea to show them biogas and clean energy? The villagers they are coming and
Yes, sir. Just my village, my relative, my just other family members also just so coming and just visit this one my house and take the tea. Everything they have interest, but till now also not they to fix it.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi, for your time.
Thank you.